Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what, y'all? We did it. We cut the hair, you guys. Yep, we'll get into this video. Stay tuned, and if you're new, welcome. Hey guys, so this video had to get done. Sorry it took so long, but you guys, this was a necessary thing we had to do, okay? I had to cut my hair. This is my postpartum shed-in. This is my hair how it is now. And if you guys remember it before, my hair used to be so thick all the way down to the ends, and now you can see how scarce it is. And the density of my hair just is going thinner and thinner, all because I had a baby. So I decided to cut my hair before it got even worse and before the breakage and the shed-in went up my hair shaft. You guys know I care for my hair a lot. I love taking care of my hair, and you guys should as well. So I want to make sure I get ahead of it before it got ahead of me. So first things first, I touched up my roots. I had about 5 months worth of new growth, so I think that caused the breakage of my hair as well. Like the line of demarcation was very prevalent, so I had to make sure I touched up my roots. And then next, I just had to see where I want to cut. So I originally wanted it to be only a trim, but then I decided just to take off everything at once, so I don't have to go back in with the scissors. And later on, you guys will see that I actually went shorter. So if you guys want to see it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. But yeah, this is me here, just section off my hair and just seeing where I want to actually cut my hair. Again, I know I wanted a bob, but I think I opted for a lob, which is a long bob, just to make sure that I like the cut. So if you are going through anything with your hair that is not making it grow or have any length retention, my opinion is deal with it right from the jump. Especially if you're a person who doesn't like to cut their hair, or if you don't do your hair by yourself, deal with it from the moment you notice something is wrong with your hair. Because if you catch it from jump, less damage control has to be done. You're not gonna have to cut as much hair as you think you would have to cut, and the overall health is way better. So when I showed you guys a preview of this clip in my vlog, if you guys have not seen it, make sure you guys go check it out. But a lot of people thought I was doing a trim, and I definitely said I was doing a haircut. But this is not a trim, you guys. I talk about dusting your ends and trimming your ends, but this is definitely not a trim. It is a full-on haircut. Okay, so I don't want people coming up in the comments saying, oh, she cut too much, that's a deep trim, ball, yada yada yada. Nah, it's not a trim, it's not a dusting, it is a haircut. So when I saw it, I was like, okay, this is definitely something that I cannot turn back from now. Like, it's done, let's continue. But I don't know what's going on with this quote unquote new age haircuts, because doing one blunt cut does not mean your hair is healthy again. You have to cut your hair in sections, make sure you get the inside of your hair as well, and make sure you get all the ends, because if you're doing one blunt cut at the end, you are not getting all the dead hair that you need to get. So if you have a stylist that cuts your hair like that, you guys run, okay? Run for the hills, because that is not how you cut your hair. As you guys can see here, my hair is getting cut in sections. It's getting cut on the inside as well. It's making sure that every part of your strands, or every part of my strands, is treated, is cut, and is healthy. You can still have a blunt cut like I wanted by cutting your hair in sections and making sure that every strand is treated. So I'll give you guys a little secret about bobs. Like, I'm pretty sure this is very relatable to everyone, but the front of our hair is way shorter than the back, or it's probably a little bit more damaged because of heat or whatever you do to your hair. But if you want to have a fully blunt bob, heavy front to back, root to ends, you guys add clip-ins. That is a secret that a lot of people don't know, because they have inspirational pictures of bobs that they want, and they see that their hair is not matching what they want, and it's because they have 9 times out of 10 people have clip-ins or tape-ins in the front of their hair to make their hair seem fuller. Yeah, I realized that a lot of people did not know this, but a lot of your bobs that you see on like Pinterest or TikTok or Instagram, wherever you see them, I'm pretty sure like 8 or 9 times out of 10 they installed tape-ins or clip-ins or some type of hair extensions just to make their bob look really good. Yeah, so that's about all I have to say about this haircut. You guys just vibe out to the rest of the video, see how I get my hair to its healthiest state. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys put it down in the comments down below. I'll definitely answer them for you guys, no problem. But yeah, just vibe out and you guys see the results at the end. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys love it as well. And let this be your sign to cut your hair if it needs to get cut, you guys. It's in its healthiest state. It's gonna grow back if you guys take care of it. No worries, just cut your hair. happy I cut my hair, you guys. And for me, it's all about health over length, and my hair looks so much healthier. It feels amazing, you guys. And we are gonna get into the content with this hair, y'all. This is a new hair, new me. I absolutely love the way this looks. And this is what I mean about dead ends. Like, look how this looks. This looks dry. It looks brittle. It's like no life. So this is how the ends of my hair look like. And this is what you don't want, okay, guys? You don't want this. You want this, okay? Yup. It's 1 o'clock in the morning and I am exhausted. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and we're gonna do some curls, we're gonna do some styles with this because I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.